From Global's newsroom at 1 o'clock, fully vaccinated close contacts of anyone who tests positive for COVID will now have to do a daily lateral flow test. It's hoped checking every day for 7 days will limit the spread of the Omicron variant. But yesterday, online supplies of test kits ran out because of a massive spike in demand. Paul Nuki is Global Health Security Editor for the Daily Telegraph. He told LBC that cases are currently rising exponentially.
They will become the majority of cases in the country in virtually no time at all. If it's a very, very mild virus, that's not going to matter. But if it's a virus anything like as virulent as Delta or the Alpha strain, which were both a bit worse than the original Wuhan strain, then we'll find out too late and the NHS will be overwhelmed.
More than 70 Tory MPs are expected to vote against the government's Plan B coronavirus measures in England later. The new rules to tackle the variant include mandatory face masks in most public indoor venues, working from home and COVID passes. Former Brexit Minister Steve Baker is among the rebels, saying the restrictions are disproportionate.
Really, this is a moment where every last one of us should, in good faith, start thinking about what it means to live with coronavirus like we live with flu, now that we're vaccinated, and what kind of society we want to live in the future. I want one which is free, which is prosperous and which is joyful.
The Justice Secretary will set out plans to overhaul human rights laws to prevent abuses of the system later. Dominic Raab says they will strengthen freedom of speech while striking the balance between individuals' rights and the wider public interest. Critics, though, say the proposals for the Human Rights Act are a power grab by the government. The US President's confirmed he'll visit Kentucky tomorrow. He'll look at the damage from last week's tornadoes that have killed 74 people. More than 100 are still unaccounted for, though. There's also a warning thousands of homes will be left without heat and in freezing temperatures for a long time. And the government will explore the merits of a National Memorial Day to commemorate those who've died working at sea. Transport Minister Robert Courts also said the government was determined to make the fishing industry a safer workplace in future. LBC weather, mainly cloudy but staying dry for most areas across the UK, though rain for northern and western parts of Scotland, highs of 13. From Global's newsroom for LBC, I'm Serena Farrow.